This might be the last opportunity for you to get some cheap Supra. What is up, Supra community? I hope you guys are having a really great Sunday. It is currently November 16th, 11:42 in the morning. And let me start off really good by popping a cold one. So I wonder how good this ASMR is going to be for you guys. So you're welcome. I hope that sounded actually pretty good. So don't worry, it's not a beer, it's an energy drink, just in case YouTube flags me or something. But that being said, things are looking really good. Don't panic as of yet. This is going to be, so far, really good, all right? I've told you this multiple times. I wait until the confirmation is here, until I make a decision on whether to buy or not. I wait until there is that 100% confirmation for the technical analysis. I really do appreciate every single person out there coming on through, brand new subscribers, new people joining Telegram, X, follow me on all social medias. By the way, it's all going to be down below in the description. You have to listen to what I say, take notes, jot it down, repeat, replay these videos over and over, stick through and watch the full thing, because I can and will be changing ideas, targets, and stuff like that, so that way you can know exactly what I have to say. Well, right now, 2 zeros and a 1898 is what we are looking at. And I need to be sponsored by these guys, man. That's what I'm telling you. I'm just chilling, man. You guys have no idea. The other videos, you guys know I just tell you things how straight up I am. If it hurts your feelings, I mean, it sucks, but it is what it is, right? It's like a breakup. It hurts for a little while, but eventually you move on to something better. And this is what it is right now. What's going on right now is a small pullback where there is a support zone going on, and it's retesting that support zone. A few minutes ago, literally 2 minutes ago, I told you that I wait for the confirmation until I verify and until I take action on my positions. I mentioned yesterday, was it yesterday? No, it wasn't yesterday. It's yesterday's video. I made it on in the car. So I made a few videos ago. I mentioned that even though the price starts going up like here, you are front running your position, right? Like, even though it is up, the confirmation isn't until the 1334 cross. Look at this prediction that I did right here. These two lines, I said that these 1334 were going to cross into an X pattern. This was the verification of us going up. So sadly, I know there's people out there that did this because they saw the price going higher and higher and higher. Yes, it looked bullish, but the confirmation was not there yet. It still isn't there. In the next 24 hours, we'll be good to go. So, I don't even know where to begin. I'm trying to hold back my excitement a little bit, all right? Because of this major run-up, there were a lot of people that FOMO'd in. Imagine what if they didn't buy down here, they most likely were FOMOing in and buying as much as, oh, I apologize. I'll bet you they were buying as much as they could on the way up, trying to get that major pump, the big old run up that they expected, right? Well, guess what their average is? Definitely higher than 19. So let me guess, they probably bought around 2.2, maybe around 2.5, because they saw two big spikes, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9. You know, they saw them major prices running up, so they bought way up here. Because they did that, that wasn't the confirmation needed to let them know that this was going to run. It was just pure hype. So look what happened to the price. It went down because people like me and traders, other experienced people and all that, they knew people were going to FOMO in Now guess what happened? They got in right here, right? They're selling, taking profit right here and dropped the price. Now what they're planning to do is let free money ride. Once this candlestick gets done, it's just going to be free play money for them. That's what's exactly going on right now. People FOMO'd in, feared of missing out. People that were in accumulating over here like me, maybe even you if you've been watching the channel. And now people took profit right here, wrecked some of these guys for now. Their average is a little too high in my personal opinion. But luckily, you see this yellow line on the screen right now? I apologize for the random ass table right there. I don't even know how that got there. But you see this yellow line? It's support. What's even better is that this support should hold. I want to say about an 85 to 90% chance of this holding. This 2 zeros and a 1-9 is a perfect support buy zone, in my own personal opinion. Those that bought way up here, ouch. This is now retracing the support zone. If it verifies, if it holds, we're going to bounce right back up. And that's right before this 1334 crosses bullish right here. So we have now two really good bullish support zones. The 1334 acting as support and my yellow line acting as support. So there's going to be some buyers coming in right now. In the next, I want to say 24 hours, give or take 24 hours, we should see a bounce. We should, okay? I'm not always right. I could be definitely wrong, okay? Keep that in mind. But as of right now, so far, I've been pretty accurate with my calls. So take it as a grain of salt. Do your own research. If you want to go follow somebody else that just constantly pump, then go ahead. I don't care. I tell you things straightforward. If it's bullish, it's bullish. If it's bearish, it's bearish. You know, I'm all about transparency and price targets. And what's crazy is that right now, because SUPRA is going up and the price is looking very nice and stuff like that, the view count is growing in my channel, right? And that's because SUPRA is bullish and it's trending upward. The way I see it is that, well, this doesn't correlate to the new people that just discovered SUPRA or just now started investing into SUPRA. I'm talking about the OGs. I'm talking about people that are actually here and for the long run and actually believe in the project. I'm talking to them people. The viewership is up. I want to say, don't just watch SUPRA content. I mean this in the nicest way possible too. Don't just watch SUPRA content whenever it's pumping and whenever it's bullish. If you support the channel, if you support the tokenomics, if you support Josh, all of that, be here along this right here, because that's when we need each other the most. That's whenever the dev and the SUPRA overall tokenomics and everything platform overall needs you, needs me the most. I don't get paid to make content. I'm not getting a single dime from them. Nobody is paying me to make these videos. I'm just doing this pretty much for free. I mean, other than added content, but you guys get the drift. All I'm asking for is just for a like button, just click that subscribe button. That's literally all I'm asking for. Yeah, like I'm saying, just be here and watch the content as we drop down. Trust me, it's very, very important content that you want to go watch and listen to know where to buy and sell, take profit, you know, stuff like that for the trending down. Don't watch just whenever we go up. Like, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, you know? If you're here for SUPRA, you got to be here for the good and the bad and the horrible too. You know, it's in the future, 5 years down the road, we could be at 10 cent, 20 cent, 50 cent, whatever it is, right? Sometime along that time period, anything could happen. Every single blockchain network goes through a shit show. If it's a hack, if it's a wallet drain, if it's, you know, going through legal type of deals in the US or being banned, certain users take advantage of it. There's hacks after hacks. You know, every network, every blockchain goes through it one way or another. Each of them take it differently, but if we are here for the long term, just be there for it, man. So right now, 2 zeros and a 1899 is where the support zone is at. And I'm telling you right now, I just bought some. I bought at, I was accumulating down here. I bought way down here too. I was buying at around 19. And I said I was going to buy a lot right here, but then this wick candle stopped me from buying in. And I told you over and over, I was like, look, this wick candle is going to get filled. I didn't buy the way I wanted to because it's going to drop. And why buy here whenever I know it's going to get filled down here? And I can buy myself the rest of my tokens in this range right here. My red zone was perfectly in the bottom. It bounced up. And that's where I was buying. I said a double bottom, I was buying. I was buying here and here. I said triple bottom. It was close enough. This wick got just microns away from the triple bottom. I'm still going to call it a triple bottom, and I bought even more. So my average is way down here. I don't know where y'all are at, and I hope you are also around this range, like around me. And if you listen, if you paid attention and accumulated DCA, you should be in that scenario. So that being said, because this dropped down, I wasn't buying up here. No way I was not buying. I kind of figured we would see a retest of the support zone, and that's exactly what's going on. So what am I doing? I'm buying, okay? I already bought at around 18 and some change, somewhere around there. I think it was like 18.5 or 18 something. Yeah, it was like around here. Wow, it was pretty much the bottom. That's awesome. So that right there, I'm buying. I'm gonna buy a little more right now. That's me though. This is my money. I do whatever I want to. Everybody's financial status is different. 20 bucks, 50 bucks, however it is, you're good. It's fine. Perfect opportunity. Massive red candle. It was actually due. People that were FOMO in, sucks, man. This is why you don't FOMO in until it's confirmed, okay? I've told you this multiple times. Let's see. 4-hour chart looks very bullish. It wants to trend down though. So this is telling me if this support zone actually holds, it should curl up the 1334 right back up. So as of right now, it's still bullish. Okay, I'm gonna be watching the 4-hour though, for sure. Let's see. I want to see the 2-hour for the very short term. This is bearish. We could actually go right back down to around 18.5. 17.5 to 18.5 is where it seems like it wants to go down. And the next, like I said, it's November 16th, 11:54 in the morning. I want to say about 4 2-hour candlesticks. So in the next 8 hours, the price should probably go down a little bit, like 17 maybe. So that's still a really good opportunity for those that still want to buy in. So it's still bullish on the 4 hours though. Okay, I'm still gonna buy more at this range. I'm glad I didn't buy it around 2.4, 2.5, 2.7, 2.8, you know, stuff like that. Nice. I'm here for it, man. I'm definitely here for it. That's fine. And I want to tell you this as well. Last thing that I want to mention. If we go to all-time low again, I wouldn't mind. I would not mind one bit. Trust me. I would actually be really happy. Because if we see these ranges, the amount of... Because you see how much it does in such a short time period. It just feels like just yesterday we were here. And now look where we were at. It just... Massive run just up to 3. From 1.3 to 3, that's a 300% run in a matter of a few days. And who knows how much is going to happen. Oh, last thing I want to mention before I head out. The Josh, by the way, go follow him. He's, of course, the main man. Something big is coming out. He mentioned that 2 days ago at around 8:33 in the morning. I went ahead and liked and retweeted just to keep records of it. So that way, you know, we know. But something big is coming. I don't know what it is. I hope it's something massive. If it is, I mean, if I'm Josh, I would announce it right here in the yellow line. Or if it starts trading under the yellow line, he would announce it. Watch him do that. Watch him do that. It would be very smart on the technical analysis side and the price action overall, you know, for the news to come out down here than down here. So if he does do it, expect it to be around 19, under 19, whenever the news comes out. And if it's actually big news, updates, partnerships, whatever it is, then this is going to run right back up to where we were at up here. So, yeah, not bad, not bad, pretty solid. I'll take it as it is. It's definitely going to be oversold for sure. I can tell it's 18.45 right now. So yeah, 17 and a half is in the next few hours. I'm probably going to have another buy zone here in a bit. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. My Telegram, my Twitter page, private members, all of that is going to be down below in the description for you to join today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow in the next YouTube video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.